Michael over there doing some test panning. He'll find a nugget today. Always does. Buddy Mark down there speed banding away. 3 scoops into his piece per speed band. Gold, like always. And today I decided to focus my efforts. The root system here with a lot of black sands in it. Hoping for some decent color. I did a test pan off the top, 6 inches. 3 specks in it, but there's gold there. Let's just figure out how much is, if it's worth my while. Check back in a bit. Quick little shot, show what I've done. Originally the bank was just out and in here. Taking out some of the roots. I've just gone in and under. Moving some of the big rocks out of the way from underneath. Getting some really nice color for being downriver. 200 pieces per pan. Insane, insane. Mark's working just down there. He's over speed pan at the moment. So yeah, didn't really do a proper clean out on the panning part, but I saw lots of color in there and just got excited, started digging. So I'll show you what we get out soon. We got some dirt ready to go right here, so time to run some buckets. Well, that right there is a bear print. And we just had a quick encounter there. It was quite terrifying because there's my stuff right here. I was just over there. See, Mark was just downriver a bit. I came up here, grabbed my drink, walked over to Mark, turned up, and there was a bear walking through. Came right down on us. No idea. Made some noise, buggered off. Mark just had to chase it. Yeah, a little close for comfort. Just a reminder, folks, always keep your head on the swivel. Take your bear spray. Yeah. Wow. Oh, I can't wait for this to get to scale. That's how it's done. That's how it's done. Look at that sneak peek.